How many has this guy done?
10, but his record's 19.
That's it?
It's way tougher than it looks, man. Why don't you give it a try, smartass?
I could easily do 20 without breaking a sweat.
Yeah, sure. I'd love to see that.
I'm sure you would. But this guy, if he sees me pull that off, it'll break his spirit. Trust me.
Don't worry about him. Just do your 20.
All right. Don't say I didn't warn you, though.
Five.
One.
10. 12.
5.
15. 12. Still got it.
I told you. Didn't even break a sweat. Good luck.
Seriously?
What the hell?
Now nobody can do 20.
They pulled 20.
Ah, damn it! Come on.